Hi guys, so today we're gonna make T-bone steak in our Otto Wilde griller. It cooks to 1500 degrees from above, and we're right about to cook this bad boy. So we need to preheat this for 2 minutes until it reaches the temperature of 1500 degrees. It should be hot enough right now. So I just take out the gravy with this clever lever. Now put the steak on. Now what I want to have is perfect sear on it. So I will put this steak right under the flames. So I push this up until the flames kiss the meat. Now we cook it for about like 1.5 minutes. Then we have a nice even crust on it, like steakhouse crust. We flip it, cook it another 1.5 minutes, let it rest for a few minutes, and it's done. So with preheating and cooking we should be done in like 6 minutes. So why do we need this high temperature? What happens is when you cook meat, the Maillard reaction is setting in. And with 1500 degrees, this Maillard reaction is instantly going on, and which gives you a nice golden brown crust, you know, from this perfect steak. And the advantage is that the inside meat is not overcooked, so it's still juicy and tender. And with the sear, all the juices are locked in the meat. And it's coming the way I want to have it. Now just flip it once. Put it back in. And I'll cook it for another 1.5 minutes. Good one. So now we have the crust we want to have, and we need to let it rest another 2 minutes so the juices can flow back into the steak, because the juices were cooking inside. Then we're ready to go to cut it up and eat. Now we're done. Took us about like 6 minute cooking time. Enjoy.